Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over in Minecraft how to fix the authenticating services error code, and let's get straight into the video. So first thing that you guys can do is just simply make your way over to settings and go ahead and type in change the date and time. Now, once the change the date and time is open, what you can do is go ahead and click off for set time automatically and then turn it on again. And if it was originally off, just make sure that it is turned on because you want this to be turned on. Now, once you do that, you can go ahead and hit sync now. You can go ahead and just hit sync now, and then once there's a check, you guys should be good to go. Now that should fix the issue. It is a weird fix, but it should fix the issue. And the second method you guys can try doing is simply restarting your Wi-Fi router. So just go over to your router, unplug the power cord for about, 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in, and then I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well. And then once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go and you're all set and the error code should be fixed. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.